What's up, guys? Today is National Answer Your Cat's Questions Day. So, naturally, I'm going to answer some of this cat's questions. Curiosity killed the cat, but today it won't kill them because they have 9 lives. So, let's begin. Today we're going to flip the script and let Minou, this French cat, ask me some questions. So, fire away. Kitty, whatever you want to ask, I will answer.
My first question is, how long is this interview? I have a lot to do today.
It's gonna take maximum 5 minutes, and then you can go back to shitting and eating and sleeping. Okay, next question. Whoa.
What does it feel like cleaning out my turds every day?
What does it feel like to lick your fur every day? I don't know, it's not enjoyable, I would say, but it must be done so the house doesn't smell like crap. Whoa.
Do you know that my cousin is Simba?
That would make you a very famous cat. Some famous friends. Whoa. Holy shit.
Thanks for playing.
I think this interview got really violent right now. I say we answer some user submitted questions right now. This question comes from Oscar the cat in Kentucky, and I mean, feel free to jump in whenever you like, because I think you may know some of these questions. Oh shit! Oscar from Kentucky asked, what exactly is beast mode, and why do people want me to enter it? Well, Oscar, beast mode is this. No, oh shit! That's beast mode. It's when you go completely crazy and you're unstoppable. Okay. Next user question, Francois from Seattle asks, who made up that meow noise? I don't know who made up that. Stay? I don't know who made that up. You guys made it up. That's what you do. You meow. Right? Meow, meow, meow. No? See? You see how, you see how fat this cat is? This cat's like an alligator. Okay. Oh, actually, Boots from New York asks, if cats have 9 lives, what life am I on? That's a very existential question. Boots, don't worry about it. There's plenty of life ahead. Just keep jumping into cars. What was that? Just keep jumping into cars and scratching people and being really threatening, and you know, the good thing is that God will give you a second chance. Or 10. Whiskers from Illinois asks, what is that awful thing you spray on yourself in the morning? I hate it. That is cologne that I spray to cover up this disgusting smell of shit you leave all over the house. Lastly, Checkers from Kansas City asks, why do you only clean my litter box once a week? Checkers, that's a really good question. Because if I was a cat, I wouldn't want to sleep in my shit for a week either. So, maybe all you cat owners out there should listen to your cat a little bit more and clean out their litter box, use less cologne, and learn to love your cat. Like I love this one. Like I love this fat ass French cat. Neuter your pets, also. That's it.
Oh my god. She did a good job sitting put.
Yeah.
I mean,